Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register your Cigna member portal account, enrollment guide step by step clearly. To register your Cigna member portal account, start by visiting the Cigna official website. On the home page, locate the sign in option at the top right corner. Click on sign in, and you will be redirected to the login page. Look for the register link near the bottom of the login box. Click on register to begin the account creation process. You will be taken to a new page prompting you to enter your information. Enter your first name, last name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Next, input your email address to receive important updates. Create a unique username that you will use to log in. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements provided. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the designated field. Select your preferred communication method for account-related notifications. Review the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Click on the Next button to proceed with your registration. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a security question. Answer the security question to help secure your account. Once complete, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox and click on the link in the email to verify your account. Return to the Cigna member portal login page. Enter your username and password to access your account. You are now ready to explore and utilize your Cigna member portal features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.